Welcome back to the channel, and today we step inside the complete papaya drying process, from fresh fruit to premium dried slices.
Every journey begins in the soil.
Each papaya is carefully grown to meet strict export-grade standards before it ever reaches the factory floor.
Once matured, the harvest begins with precise manual selection to ensure only premium fruit enters the supply chain.
Temperature-controlled transport ensures freshness is preserved during the journey to the processing plant. Across long distances, harvested fruit begins its transition from agriculture to industry. At the heart of the operation stands a fully automated drying facility built for precision and scale. Every shipment is carefully received and prepared for the first stage of processing.
Before processing begins, each fruit is thoroughly cleaned to remove natural residues and impurities.
Advanced scanning systems help determine which fruits meet strict drying specifications.
Even with automation, human expertise remains essential in selecting only the finest fruit.
Once selected, the papayas are prepared for transformation inside the core processing line. Precision cutting ensures each piece is uniform for consistent drying results. From this point forward, the transformation from fresh fruit to dried product truly begins.
Controlled air circulation begins to gradually remove natural moisture from the fruit.
Every stage is engineered to maintain consistency in texture and quality. And as the process continues, the raw fruit moves deeper into transformation, where structure begins to change forever. After arrival, the fruit enters a fully controlled environment designed to prepare it for transformation.
The first critical stage is deep cleansing, removing natural residues and field impurities.
Once washed, the fruit must be carefully dried on the surface before further processing can begin.
Human inspection ensures only structurally perfect fruit continues into the production system.
Alignment systems prepare each fruit for uniform cutting and processing.
Uniform slicing is essential to ensure even drying and consistent product quality. Internal seeds are removed to prepare the fruit for controlled dehydration. A final rinse stabilizes the fruit before entering the dehydration phase.
Precision placement ensures uniform airflow during the drying process.
The fruit now enters a controlled thermal environment that prepares it for dehydration.
Every environmental factor is monitored to maintain perfect drying conditions.
Gradual heat circulation begins the slow transformation of fresh fruit into preserved form. Advanced ventilation systems ensure even heat distribution across every tray. At this stage, the fruit begins its visible transformation. Multiple controlled zones gradually prepare the fruit for full dehydration. And now, the fruit reaches the heart of the transformation process, where moisture will slowly disappear and a new product will begin to emerge.
Inside the core of the facility, dehydration begins under tightly controlled industrial conditions.
Controlled airflow ensures that every slice loses moisture at a consistent and gradual rate.
The dehydration process is divided into multiple levels to maintain perfect temperature balance. As moisture decreases, the fruit begins to develop its final preserved structure.
Industrial turbines regulate airflow to ensure uniform dehydration across every batch.
Automated rotation prevents uneven drying and maintains consistent quality. Each chamber gradually reduces humidity to stabilize the drying process.
Excess moisture is carefully managed to prevent over-drying or product damage.
The fruit gradually reaches its final dehydrated structure with preserved flavor and texture.
Once dehydration is complete, the product must be stabilized through controlled cooling.
Cooling locks in the structural stability of the dried fruit.
Advanced sensors verify that moisture levels meet strict production standards. Automated sorting ensures only premium-grade product continues forward. A final mechanical refinement enhances consistency and appearance.
Operators fine-tune the system to prepare for final packaging integration.
With dehydration complete, the product now leaves the core manufacturing stage and moves toward refinement, quality assurance, and final packaging.
The moisture levels on this batch look consistent.
Yes, the optical sorter is performing within tolerance today.
Precision sorting ensures each piece is isolated for accurate inspection and quality control.
Human inspectors verify texture, color uniformity, and structural consistency.
Advanced scanning technology identifies even the smallest imperfections invisible to the human eye.
A final air purification step ensures absolute cleanliness before packaging begins.
Moisture levels are stabilized to guarantee long-term shelf consistency.
Each piece is weighed and calibrated to ensure standardized product consistency.
Grading systems separate premium export quality from secondary batches. Specialized packaging materials are prepared to preserve freshness and visual appeal.
Automation ensures every pack contains consistent quantity and arrangement.
Laboratory testing confirms durability and preservation quality before final approval.
Brand labeling is applied with exact alignment for export-ready presentation.
Once refinement is complete, the product advances toward final packaging integration.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and stabilizes the final product.
With precision refinement complete, the product is now ready for its final transformation into a market-ready packaged good. At the final stage of production, every package undergoes strict quality assurance before approval for global distribution. Advanced detection systems ensure every package is free from foreign particles and contamination.
Human inspectors verify packaging integrity and ensure every unit meets export standards.
Each pack is tested under pressure to guarantee long-term freshness preservation. Precision weighing ensures every package contains exact standardized quantity.
Approved products are stabilized in controlled storage before final dispatch preparation. Every product is digitally tracked for full supply chain transparency. Final reinforcement ensures packaging durability for long-distance international transport.
final approval is granted only after all quality and safety standards are confirmed.
With every check completed, the product is now ready to leave the factory and enter global markets as a fully certified premium dried fruit.
After a complete transformation, the finished product now enters its final journey toward international markets.
Every pallet is handled with precision to ensure product safety during transport preparation.
This pallet is cleared for loading.
Confirmed. Move it to Bay 3.
Temperature-controlled transport guarantees freshness is preserved during long-distance shipping. Each shipment is digitally verified before leaving the facility.
From factory gates to global routes, distribution begins its final stage. Careful loading ensures stability and protection throughout transportation. Continuous monitoring maintains ideal conditions for product preservation. At global ports, the product prepares to reach international consumers worldwide. From fresh tropical fruit to refined dried perfection, every stage leads to this final moment of completion and global delivery.